In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward messages in Zangi. To forward a message in Zangi, launch open the Zangi application first and log into your account. Open up the chat where the message you want to forward is located. From your chat screen, select one of the chats open and press and hold the message from the chat thread you would like to forward. In the pop-up, you can then click the forward button. Now, this will take you to this contact list from where you need to select a contact that you want to forward the message to. Select the contact just like that and click the send button at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to see the forwarded message sent to that specific contact. That is how you easily forward messages in Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.